Good morning to all. My name is Srijan. I am going to talk about the national emblem of India. The Ashoka pillar erected by Emperor Ashoka has 4 lines seated back to back, which imply power, courage, confidence, and pride. The other animals demonstrated on the pillar are Ashoka, a horse, a bull, and the elephant, and a lion. The elephant denotes Buddha Tauset. The bull symbolizes the zodiac sign of Buddha. The horse, signifies Buddha's horse. A lion, enlightenment. Dinar Bhargava sketched and illuminated the national emblem of India. The the actual Sharna capital future or aesthetic lions standing back to back mountain of circular base. At the bottom is hearts and a bull, the center of Dharma Chakra. The Ashoka Chakra 24 spoke which the center of which ensure every Indian work tirelessly for 24 hours. The national emblem is the official seal of the Government of India. Thank you to all.